left, down, right, up.
Basically, I told Lindsay, don't put the blockies in front of the hole.
It's like I forgot how the whole thing works.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like it's
Is this
like
an
often
alternate path?
used. No, that's the way you go.
Wait.
That's the entrance. That's
where
you
it
want to do
was.
the puzzle again.
I don't know. It was like kind of.
Does this look like an alternate path to you? For
Well,
some
I
reason?
thought, like, look,
I mean, it's just large mushrooms. Whatever.
when
Don't
you
worry.
see it this way, it's like, was this?
Don't worry
is
about
this
the
a
large
drawing?
mushrooms. Just keep walking.
I have a lot of Mario imagery here.
That final boss, he's coming up. He has a gun. And he'll probably test it.
Kitty gun.
You're gonna die. What if it made you do the puzzle again when you died?
Oh, it will. Fucking will.
Nah, this game ain't that.
No! What was that?
No, it's not gonna make you do the puzzle again. It's just gotta make you get
Do it
through the
all.
whole area
I
again.
should have fucking did the store. I know I need some shit.
Whatever. Whatever.
Sir! God.
Jaded. Jaded. Got your mother's smile, but you on them. Roller coaster ride.
What?
Me.
Is
So
that it?
jaded.
That's not it.
My baby. Boo.
Majin Boo!
You know who that's by?
It's like Aerosmith, right?
That's Aerosmith.
Greatest band.
How many Smiths do you have to go through before you find an Aerosmith?
Well, if I know anything
What
about
do you call?
Arrowheads...
What do you call an agent from the Matrix that works at a clothing store that markets?
Come on, this is already too fucking much.
Markets to young teenagers, mostly girls. Aerosmith.
Sure. You have like so many fucking steps, and on Sundays
I know,
he
that's how
goes
you
to
do
the
a
store.
joke.
No, that's not how you do
Got
a joke.
pretzel still, guys. You want a pretzel?
That's not how you do a joke.
I meant to have gotten mustard, but I forgot about the mustard. Because I got
Again! Let me land on this fucking...
Life is a fucking circle.
What? That is a lie!
It's a circle. The circle of jaded.
Just a problem.
Jaded's got a gun.
What if someone who has a really bad stuttering problem keeps trying to go to karaoke nights to improve their stutter, but the songs I keep picking are stutter songs?
Oh, that's interesting.
Like my generation.
Yeah, and so everyone's like, he's so fucking good! But he's just like, I can't get the words out of my mouth!
Oh, that's interesting.
Is stutter, is that like a psychological problem?
I think most stutters are caused by either a speech impediment, which I think is beatable, but it's mainly based on your psyche.
I think the guy who did Darth Vader's voice had a speech impediment.
Yeah,
And
most
he got
often
over it.
the most common source of stuttering is nervousness.
Yeah.
So that's just your nerves causing your tongue to make stupid bounces.
Well,
while you're talking.
quit doing that.
Yo. I worked this party the other day with this new girl. I think her name's Mary or something stupid. She's really cute.
Mary, a name that's just no problem with it at all. And you're just like, fucking stupid.
It's a stupid name.
I mean, I'm not running into very many Marys.
Anyway, she nervous as fuck, stutters all the time, and Taylor's adorable. I
What?
want to corrupt her. You are getting
What?
shot in your asshole. Don't worry.
Wait, what?
I wanted.
Are you talking about at the party she was stuttering? Or like
Well,
at work?
during the no, not at the party. When I said a party, I mean I had to work a table with a
Oh,
large amount
oh.
of people with her.
Oh, okay.
I don't hang out with my coworkers except the ones I do,
Alright.
which would be her. That would be a thing that could happen. It's God, adorable. I want a pet.
How is not being able to talk correctly adorable?
Fucking nervous. I like that in bed.
Is she attractive?
Yeah. She's also too young for me.
Can she vote?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, by
Wait,
age,
is he not?
I doubt she.
Is it not?
I don't know. I don't know anything about her besides she teaches a yoga class at ASU. Because honestly, she's not a
Dude, she probably knows Caitlin Farley.
That's dumb. I don't like her anymore.
Oh my god, I can just choose to blow that up. I did not know this whole time.
You can blow it up.
Boom.
That's really cool. I don't know if I've known that.
Oh god, I'm getting it fucked up in the butt. Oh god, no! Fuck! Lava in the butt.
So the better option for you than getting fucked in the butt was jumping in lava.
Yeah.
I'm so
You can ask
ready
her
for the final boss.
Dude, me too. You should ask her if she knows her.
I don't want to because
Then that'll start a whole thing.
I don't want a topic of conversation about a. First of all,
Person that's not even
I don't remember shit about her except she's not that cute, and that's all that matters.
She's not that cute at all. Alright, well.
If she doesn't have a good personality, and she's not that cute,
I don't think she has
who
a good
cares? Like,
I know she like works at a yoga place in town. Paragould, Arkansas, a great place to be in a yoga anything.
yo, dude, I'm pretty sure she's one of the people I did that muting tactic with on Facebook.
Oh.
Be a dick.
I'm just saying.